In today's video, we'll discuss why your Nighthawk router is blinking red and how to solve it. A red blinking light on your Nighthawk router typically indicates firmware issues, which might result from incomplete software updates. While the router updates its firmware automatically, sometimes these updates aren't completed. You'll need to update the firmware manually. Here's how to do it. Using another source of internet, go to your computer browser and open the Netgear website. Check for the most recent firmware updates by accessing the router setup page and completing any pending software updates. Another possible cause for the red blinking light is loose port connections. Loose connections can lead to poor signal reception. To fix this, turn off the router by switching off the power source, disconnect all terminals and devices, and then reconnect them securely. A poor internet connection is another common reason. This could be due to unplanned network maintenance or too many devices connected to the router. To resolve this, assess all the connected devices and turn off the router. Unplug any devices you're not currently using. If the problem persists, contact customer support to check if there is ongoing network maintenance. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Presentation.